we move on to the final stage of the engine removal process. This will cover removing the engine mounts and hoisting the engine out. Try to place the winch on the center between the engine and the gearbox and the majority of the weight around this area, or else the engine will lift from that side and not from this one. This one will be always on the bottom because the gearbox is very heavy. Try to get the minimum amount of space here, because the closest this tie is to the winch, the more space you will have to take the engine out, because this has a limited height, adjustable height, and as little space you can get here, it will be better to get the engine out and out of the car. In the Toyota 4AFE engine, there are 4 engine mounts. One on the engine timing belt side, as you can see, it can be either this type or this type. There is another one on the engine block on the front near the exhaust headers, which is this one here. There is another one that holds the gearbox, it's this one over here. And then there is a fourth one on the back side of the engine, between the engine and the firewall. Remember, if you don't have muscles, use your brains. You have to remove these 2 nuts from underneath with a very long extension. There is an additional engine mount on the back. Over here there are 3 bolts, a couple here, and then another one which is the last that I'm removing. After removing the engine mounts, it's just a matter of pulling on the hoist slowly but surely, and be careful not to damage any of the surrounding areas of the car, including the bodywork, brake lines and the hoses.